If you would like to learn how to access our museum collection online from home, here's a short video that will take you through the simple steps to help you access a collection. The first step in accessing our museum catalogue collection is by going to our museum webpage, and you can do this through the Hawkesbury City Council webpage at www.hawkesbury.nsw.gov.au, or you can simply Google Hawkesbury Regional Museum. It'll bring you to our museum webpage, where across the top you'll see a row of tabs. You need to click on the one that says Collection. That'll bring you to our collection page. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll see there are three options: Search the collection, About the collection, or Donations to the collection. You need to click on the first box, which is Search the collection, and that takes you to our catalogue. Now, there are two simple ways of searching. You can enter a general search term in the search box, or if you want to be a little bit more specific, you can click up here and search either Objects, Images, or Archive. Let me show you an example. If I wanted to research the famous Hawkesbury astronomer John Tebbutt, I could put Tebbutt into the search box, click on the search button, and up will come any objects, images, documents, or archives to do with Tebbutt. And then, if I want to learn more about something, I simply click on the image, and up pops a more detailed view, which gives me all the information about the object. As simple as that.